Hey everyone, David the Info Man. Now chances are if you're watching this video, you've heard about this new software app called Freebie Commissions and you're curious about how to make money with it. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with Freebie Commissions, how I would make money with it, how to promote your link, and how this whole system works. So if you don't know, Freebie Commissions is a software app by Glenn Kosky. Now this software app allows you to give away a free Warrior Plus product, and then in exchange you collect people's email addresses and you make money on the back end as they buy the upsells through the product. So you're giving away a product for zero, but on the back end, they're going to be hit with upsells, and that's where you're going to be making your affiliate commissions. So this is the dashboard of Freebie Commissions, and all you'd have to do is promote these done-for-you funnels right here. Now, in order to make money with this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using YouTube. Why? Because YouTube is a great place to get traffic. It's like 80% of today's web traffic comes from some kind of video platform, and YouTube takes the bulk of that. So what you would do here is you would copy this link here to one of these two products that you get. So these are done for you campaigns that you actually get inside of Freebie Commissions. One of them is Commission Shortcut. The other one is Triple Traffic Bots. So you would just copy this once you've plugged in your autoresponder and your affiliate link for that product. And then what you would do is you would make YouTube videos around viral video topics. Now I'm going to explain to you what I mean by viral video topics. So if you haven't heard of this guy right here, this guy's name is Branson Tay. So he has a YouTube channel where all he does is creates these clickbaity, viral, make money online videos. So here are some of, his titles are earn $9 every 60 seconds for free, earn $200 to $500 in 1 hour from Google, earn per click in only 4 minutes, paid in the same day. So as you can see, they're very clickbaity. They get a lot of watches, a lot of views. And what I would do is you can see right here in his videos, he has this, the #1 way to make money right now, no experience needed, click here, arrow, 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 right? So what you would do is you would basically copy that headline, the #1 way to make money now. And then instead of, his link, what you would do is you would be putting in your link right here to that Freebie Commissions or the Triple Traffic Bot thing inside of the Freebie Commissions. So you would be doing this one right here, or you would do this one right here. You just copy and paste that link, put it right there inside the description of your YouTube videos. Now, let me show you exactly how to basically explode your YouTube channel. You do it by copying other people. Here's a big name in the make money online niche. It's Kevin David. Now, he actually copies a lot of other people's videos and he gets tons of views doing so. He finds viral videos that are, on his feed inside of YouTube, and then he goes ahead and he just copies it. Now, as you can see here, at the time of this video, he copied, I spent 2 hours doing surveys online. Here's what I made. Here's the same video right here by Ryan Scribner. I spent 2 hours doing surveys online. Look at how many views, 448,000 views. Here's his video, 446,000, 1.6 thousand. As you can see, he basically copied the entire video. He even used that green in there to stand out just like he did in his thumbnail. So that is how basically you get tons of views on YouTube, and all you'd have to do is place your link in the top line of your description. So right up here, right here, anywhere in that top line. Now, if you want to know some more advanced strategies on how to get traffic to your link for Freebie Commissions and to make money through this platform, promoting these done-for-you campaigns, well then I have you covered. So if you click on the link down below this video, if you haven't purchased Freebie Commissions yet and you are interested in purchasing it, that link will take you to my bonus page, which looks like this. This bonus page, if you scroll down, you're going to see all these bonuses that I have prepared for you if you decide that you like Freebie Commissions and you want to promote these done-for-you campaigns that are built inside of Freebie Commissions. So in my bonuses, I'm going to go in depth into that method that I just showed you on how to make money with Freebie Commissions. I'm going to teach you how to rank YouTube videos with advanced SEO. So this is going to teach you how to get your videos above channels that are larger than you. Bonus number 2, this is going to show you how to explode your YouTube channel using a secret software app that I use that's free to use, free to join, and it gets you likes, comments, subscribers, and everything that you need in order to basically explode your YouTube channel. Bonus number 3, I'm going to teach you how to get traffic to your Freebie Commissions campaigns with Quora, answering other people's questions and then outranking other people's answers inside of Quora. It's a cool hack that I've created in that bonus. Bonus number 4, Facebook money secrets. I'm going to teach you how to build a buyer's list and how to get more traffic from people on Facebook in order to give away those free done-for-you campaigns that are built inside of Freebie Commissions, collect their emails, and then make money in the back end with the upsells of those product funnels. I'm going to teach you all of that in bonus number 4. Then lastly, I'm going to teach you how to use Instagram in order to get traffic to your Freebie Commissions link with Instagram. So these are all my bonuses. If you're interested at all in those, all you have to do is click on the link down below this video and it'll take you there. So thank you for watching my tutorial on how I would go about making money with Freebie Commissions, which is a platform that allows you to give away done-for-you product and campaigns so that you can firstly get people's emails and build your email list, and then secondly, make money on the back end with those upsells of those done-for-you product campaigns that you will be promoting using the Freebie Commissions system. So I'm David the Infoman. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. I will see you next time.